Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, we've got an old friend on the channel today, but this time it is the unicorn. It is the one that I have been desperately trying to get my hands on since I found this company. So stay tuned after I roll the intro. I'm going to tell you every single thing I think about this. Alrighty, YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for giving me some of your time. I hope to earn more of it today because I know it's your most precious commodity. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel who have yet to subscribe, and you long-time viewers who have yet to do it, here's your chance to knock it out the way early. Look down below. You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Click on that thing, should bring you right to subscribe. Knock it out the way early, and you're going to feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. Guys, that's right, Johnny Slicks is back on the channel, and I finally got my hands on the unicorn, the one I regretted not buying when I found Johnny Slicks a long time ago. Berry Slicks is here today, and oh my god, it's been worth the wait. Now, some of you may have remembered I brought the Berry Slicks Pomade to the channel a little bit ago, and a whole bunch of other Johnny Slicks stuff. Look up top. You're going to see a card that'll bring you to every single one of those videos. Check those out if you want to, because you won't be disappointed. Johnny makes some incredible stuff. Now let's give you all the background stuff, and then we're going to get to the good stuff. Alright, you can find them at www.johnnyslicks.com. They are made in the USA, and they're very proud to say it, out of Holly Ridge, North Carolina. Now, Johnny and his business partner, Nick Comalazos, you know, the monster among men. Have you seen this guy? Damn. Gotta take a freaking tank to take him down. But they are both, you know, United States Marine Corps veterans, so this company is 100% veteran-owned. Semper Fi, Devil Dogs. I love what you're doing over there. You're changing up the game, and it is freaking phenomenal. They are 100% organic. Now, I know, you're going, okay. That's right. There's no little sticker or no little marking on-side the label that says they are 100% organic. That's because in order to do that, they have to pay the federal government $70 grand per year per product in order to make that claim. And the part that kills me, if you pay that money, you can have up to 10% non-organic product in your 100% organic product. Makes no sense. So they're not doing it, and I love the fact, you know, they're rebelling against the system. They are 100% accredited by the BBB, the Better Business Bureau. So they are the only, you know, Marine Corps owned, 100% organic company that is 100% accredited by the Better Business Bureau. I think that's freaking awesome. You know, they came in, Johnny didn't know if he was going to be able to do far, go things, do whatever, and man, look up this man go. All right. Now, they were established, well, I should say Johnny established himself basically July 2016. And I love how he puts it, you know, he made it to the show, a baseball reference, February 2018 when him and Nick teamed up. And man, it has just taken off since then. They do come in two sizes. This is a 1 ounce amber bottle, and they do have a 2 ounce amber bottle. Both of them have the eyedropper tops, which I love, which makes things so easy for dispensing. The 1 ounce bottle is going to run you $13, and the 2 ounce is going to run you $25. Now I know, you guys are going, what does it smell like? I'll get there in a sec. Alright. There's the oil. It does have a golden tinge to it. That's okay. That's just how the carrier oils and essential oils mix up. Nothing wrong with it being a little gold. But man, the smell. Dude, it's black raspberry and vanilla. It just... oh... it smells amazeballs. It really, truly does. Oh. And if you want to have a little fun, seriously, get the pomade, put some in your hand, get some of the oil, put it in your hand, mix the two together, and you just made Johnny Slick's beard butter. Oops. Did I give something away? Oops. It's freaking phenomenal when you use that. Hold in the smell and everything. Ah! Okay. Anywho. It has a very medium scent strength. It's not a very overpowering in-your-face kind of thing. It goes on great, and you smell great for hours afterwards. This is seriously like the unicorn to me. I've been waiting forever and a day for this thing. Now. Oh, by the way. Hi, Mama Slicks. I know you're probably watching. Hi. So it does have his usual blend of carrier oils of coconut oil, Brazilian nut oil, sweet almond oil, tea tree oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, and fragrance, which is body safe. One of the big reasons I love Johnny Slicks, I seriously do, everything that goes into his products is 100% safe to put on your body. So there's no harmful chemicals, no harmful additives, no harmful preservatives, none of that stuff. It's all safe. He is very, very fanatical about that. And I think that's awesome. I do. And the best part I love, his mom uses his products. So if he's going to screw up, you don't want Mama Slicks mad. You will get a smart bump, and it ain't pretty. All right. Now, if you're unfamiliar with beard oil, it's real simple to use. Seriously, it is. Like I showed you with the eyedropper towel. You basically squeeze whatever amount you want to use. And I know some people are like 3 drops, 4 drops, 6 drops, or whatever. Look, everybody, you figure out yourself. Some beards drink it in. Other beards, you need like just itty bitty little amount. Get it in your hands, rub it together to heat it up and seriously activate those, the scent profile. And you just start rubbing it down and into your skin. Beard oil is more of a vitamin supplement for your skin than it is basically for the beard. It also gives you like 3 different unique great stuff for your beard. But your body can only produce so many healthy oils in order to help make your your hair grow out luscious, long, healthy, not dry out, not have split ends, not getting all screwed up. Beard oil helps, promote the growth. It softens your beard. And number 3, it really makes it smell good because, damn, seriously, black raspberry and vanilla. God, I've been waiting for that scent forever, and man, honestly, I will say it truthfully, I brought Apple Slicks Pomade to the channel a little bit ago. I regret not buying the oil when I had the chance, and I can't wait for the seasons to change so I can get my hands on that one too because, damn, that pomade smells incredible. And if it ends up being half as good as the oil, Berry Slicks oil, I'll be a happy boy. Now, I know. So when I did my homework on July 6, 2019, this one had 101 reviews. So, I know, you're going, yeah, right, that he had all his military buddies. No. Because I read through about 80 reviews last night, just going, all right, let me find one that looks bull. Let me find one that looks crap. Let me see if I can find repeat names, because I do look for that. Now, he had 94 5-star ratings, 6 4-star ratings, and 1 3-star. So I think that's pretty freaking amazing. It's one person's like, meh. But everybody else is like, fuck yeah. All right, here comes the fun part. This is the fun part for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. I want to know, have you used Johnny Slicks before? What is your successes with them? What are your failures with them? Don't go by what maybe you're reading on the internet. Haters gonna hate, right? Everybody has their own personal preferences on stuff. So I want to know yours. How, successes, failures, whatever. That's what I really want to know because I will tell you point blank honestly, there hasn't been one product from Johnny Slicks that I have personally paid for that I have not liked. It's taking me a little bit to figure out some of them. Yeah, I'm a dude trying to figure out how to use a sugar scrub, okay? It's coming to the channel. I think I finally got it down. I think I finally have it down. Don't quote me, but I think I do. But let's go for the big wrap up, all right? So, for you first-time viewers of the channel, thank you so much, like I said in the very beginning of the video. It means the world to me that you gave me some of your time. Hopefully I earned more of it. If I didn't, I understand. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who did not subscribe at the beginning of the video, well, here's your second chance at redemption, because we believe heavily about redemption on this channel. Look right down there. Huge channel symbol is going to be popping up. Man, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and done that, sorry, brain fart. After you've gone ahead and subscribed, please go ahead and destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up on that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. The unicorn, Berry Slicks. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day today.